So Maisha and Ishan, it's really hilarious because आप दोनों से मैंने बात की थी घर के जाने से पहले, और तब आप इंडिविजुअल कंटेस्टेंट्स हैं लेकिन आप साथ साथ निकले हैं, और वो भी एक कपल के तौर पर. So it's quite a wonderful coincidence, and I'm so sorry to see you both leave the house, but I presume you both are together, so I'm sure you're pretty much happy to kind of at least be together, at least, right, as a sort of silver lining to all of that.
Yes, definitely.
So how has life been for you both actually since coming out, and seeing the reception and how your experience was? Have you guys watched back the episodes yet as well?
We haven't gotten the time. Our life has been all about interviews, and but we've been scrolling a little through Twitter, and we've been seeing our cute little videos on Instagram, and we're really happy. And we haven't focused on the negative stuff because I think we don't want to waste our energy there. But we are overwhelmed with the response. We love how people love us together, and yeah, it's very cute.
Yeah. What about you, Ishan, actually? Because I think when we spoke as well, we had spoken a lot about how you were very obviously looking forward to going into the house, of course, but also because you really looked up to Siddharth Shukla a lot, actually,
Absolutely.
going into the house and stuff. So how would you describe your experience and the way you've been as a housemate, I think, on sort of hindsight?
I'm very happy with my journey. I mean, if I would sum up in one word, fantastic. I mean, I have no regrets at all. जितना भी करा दिल से करा, and I believe when your time is up, your time is up. As long as I know that I have given my 100% in the show, I am sorted. मुझे उसके बाद किसी चीज का stress नहीं है. And I'm very happy and I'm glad that I met Maisha in the show. और मेरे लिए इतना बहुत है यार. I mean, मैं जब तक था, I am somebody who's heart over mind. मैं दिल से खेला. एंड आई एम वेरी अनफिल्टर्ड. तो मैंने जब जब जो किया अपने चौड़ में किया, डंके की चोट पे किया, मुझे किसी की पड़ी नहीं थी, ना आज पड़ी है. तो मैं बहुत खुश हूँ. नो रिग्रेट्स एट ऑल. मैं एक्चुअली जेन्युइनली बड़ा खुश हूँ. एंड द काइंड ऑफ लव एंड रिस्पॉन्स that I'm getting after getting out of the house, it's overwhelming. I mean, people have been coming to me asking for pictures, telling me how much they have loved my journey, and they are really appreciating my journey, and they're telling me that how much they love Maisha and me together, and that they really find this cute. So I'm very proud of that, proud of the fact कि उन सबको मेरा और मायशा का जर्नी बहुत पसंद आया. और वो जो मायशा ने का वो जो हैशटैग बनाया है फैंस ने, वो लोगों को बहुत बहुत पसंद आ रहा है. So I'm very very proud.
Right, that's wonderful to hear. That's really, really wonderful to hear. So I think when it comes to your experience in the house, I think you both had your fair share of conflicts. You both had your fair share of friendships. Whom would you say are you missing the most inside the house, and whom are you kind of quite keen on not really crossing paths with? So Ishan, do you want to go first, as Maisha's pointing towards you?
Well, honestly speaking, I have had a good connection with Tejasvi. I mean, she's like a sister to me, and I am genuinely missing her. And I would want to see her win the show, win the trophy. Uh, Apart from that, I think Karan Kundra is a good player. उसके साथ भी एक अच्छा bond बन गया था. विशाल हो गया. विशाल के बाद उमर. I mean, these are like my 3-4 favorite contestants, जिनको मैं top 3, top 4 में देखना चाहूँगा.
And what about you, Maisha?
So I've said it almost in every interview. I'm really fond of Shamata. I really like her. I think she's a boss lady. She's so opinionated. She's lovely, and she has so many other sides to her. So people think she's dominating, she's bossy, but I mean I don't see why she shouldn't be. So yeah, I mean she's there to win it too. So I love that part of her, but I also love how warm she is when you go to her with, when you want some advice, she's always there. So that's very beautiful about her. I also like JB because he's like a coconut. Okay, he's like, "Ugh," and then he's got like this cute side. I mean, this very emotional side, and how much he loves his little daughter and his wife, and how he keeps talking about them. So, and I think in the game, a lot of times people forget, emotions or how to be human. And I think that is very beautiful about JB, that he has a heart. I mean, all
Yeah.
of us do, but he doesn't. He's not scared of showing it. Also, Umru, I think Umar is so naughty, and he's so funny. We've always been at loggerheads before a task, during a task, after a task. But in the night when we would sit and sip on some tea and eat parathas and talk about what's happening in the house, he was nothing but entertaining.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna miss Umru. Sorry, Umar. And Nishant. I mean, honestly,
Yeah.
there's no one that I dislike and I wouldn't want to cross paths with, but they would be my priority, like who I would first go and want to meet.
It's
And I
interesting.
also see them in the top 4.
Okay, well, that's wonderful. Thank you so much for sharing that with us. But I think you said there's no one that you probably won't cross paths with. But I think Ishan had a very different response, I think, on one of the tasks on Weekend Cover. And obviously, Ishan and Pratik were constantly battling, or constantly at loggerheads with each other. Um, how do you guys view those conflicts that you've had, especially with Pratik as well? I mean, Ishan, I've got to ask you this as well, because obviously, Maisha, you and Pratik obviously were on a show together. You know, you obviously had some sort of rapport with each other before. So, Ishan, was that a factor which kind of, I guess, was always at the back of your mind when you were sort of arguing with Pratik as well? Was that always something which kind of triggered you off a little bit too, because of that background and stuff like that?
Not at all, because I think she has a different life. I have a different life. उसके अपने ओपिनियंस है, अपने दोस्त हैं, मेरे अपने ओपिनियंस है, मेरे दोस्त हैं। वो
Mhm.
उन चीजों को मिक्स नहीं करना चाहता, उससे रिलेशनशिप खराब हो जाता है। एंड आई रिस्पेक्ट हर डिसीजन, आई रिस्पेक्ट ऑल ऑफ हर फ्रेंड्स, एंड एट द सेम टाइम वो मेरे डिसीजन और मेरे फ्रेंड्स को रिस्पेक्ट करती है। बात अगर रही प्रतीक की, nothing against him, but I have never really liked him, and I believe that life is really vulnerable and fragile in itself. कभी भी कुछ भी हो जाता है। एंड जैसे कि आई रिमेम्बर यू टेलिंग मी अबाउट सिद्धार्थ शुक्ला कि वो आपका भी फेवरेट कंटेस्टेंट है, एंड आई स्टिल रिमेम्बर आपने मुझे बोला था कि यू वर द फर्स्ट पर्सन टू इंटरव्यू सिद्धार्थ शुक्ला
Yeah.
आफ्टर ही केम टू बिग बॉस हाउस।
Uh-huh.
तो यार उसके डिमाइस के बाद ना मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि दिल में किसी के लिए हेट्रेड नहीं रखनी चाहिए। जो शो में हुआ वो शो में हुआ, बट मैं ये नहीं कह रहा मैं प्रतीक से मिलना चाहूंगा, मुझे नहीं मिलना उससे, वो अपनी
I'll
जिंदगी
go meet
जिए।
him alone. I won't take him along.
Yeah, good
उसको जो
idea.
बट बात
हाँ?
रही मेरी
What? What did you say?
मैं बोल रहा था उसको जो अपने भाई के साथ करना है वो करे।
He's not my bhai. He's
I'm
my
just saying I'm
friend.
talking to him,
हाँ.
but बात रही मेरी, I don't want to meet him, but no hatred. He's a good player, वो अच्छा कर रहा है, जब तक उसका नसीब है, जब तक उसकी डेस्टिनी में लिखा होगा, तब तक शो में रहेगा, और जो करना है करे यार। I mean, I don't care.
It's good you have that, and I think it's very important not to, because at the end of the day, a show's a show. And I've also learned that you don't get to actually, what we get to see with people on Big Boss is only a fraction of what they're actually like in real life. I do believe that, because we get to see them when we interact with them on a more personal note. And having done interviews, that's the sort of reaction I've gauged as
Right.
well. But I think in terms of going forward, I've got a big question all in one. So apologies for that, because we have to wrap up soon. But in terms of going forward, what sort of career prospects do you kind of hope to have now? In that sense, and maybe you both as a couple as well. How, as in, like, I guess it's very early to say, but how is that going in terms of dealing with that outside? And third of all, who do you want to see win the show? So 3 big questions into one. Apologies for that, but Maisha, do you want to go first for this?
No, let him go first. Huh.
Okay, Ishan, you can go first.
If you
Career
talk about,
prospect.
what?
Career, that correct.
करियर, आई थिंक जब से हम घर से बाहर आए हैं, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मैं तो थोड़ा न्यू भी था, और मुझे तो द काइंड ऑफ फेम एंड द काइंड ऑफ रिकग्निशन दैट आई हैव बीन गेटिंग इज ओवरवेलमिंग। आई मीन पीपल हैव बीन कमिंग टू मी फॉर पिक्चर्स, दे आर रिकग्नाइजिंग मी, दे आर टेलिंग मी हाउ मच दे हैव अप्रिशिएटेड माय जर्नी। तो मुझे तो बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, मैं तो क्लाउड 9 पे हूँ यार, मुझे बड़ा मजा आ रहा है। अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट, जहाँ तक करियर की बात रही, we have been getting a lot of calls for music videos, for web shows, and as far as I know, apparently लोग हमें साथ देखना चाह रहे हैं म्यूजिक वीडियोस वगैरह में, which is
Wow.
very good. They want to see Maishan together, so I'm very happy about it. And मैं इतना सोचता नहीं हूँ, जो प्रोजेक्ट्स आते हैं, जो अच्छा लगता है वो ले लेता हूँ, और अभी कुछ फाइनलाइज नहीं हुआ है, बट कॉल्स वगैरह काफी आ रहे हैं। And once we are done with the interview, once I take out a day for myself, relax, then I'll definitely get back to my projects and finalize something, and I'll be announcing the project very soon. So there is much more coming, and I'm very happy about everything going on in my life right now.
Oh, that's wonderful to hear. And what about you, Maisha? How's things looking for you in terms of the career wise, and I guess.
So I think it's the same thing. I mean, both of us, and a lot of times, I mean, a lot of calls have been like, we get calls, we've already started getting calls for events and stuff together. So yeah, all of that right now, everything is looking good, touch wood. And when it comes, okay, and coming to your next question, you asked me who I see in my top 4, 5.
Yeah, who do you see as your winner? I mean, I know it's a really big
My
question
winner.
because yeah,
To
it's a
be
big
very
question.
honest, now this whole VIP member thing has started, and now I think people are going to bring their A games. So now the game is going to actually be played. But if I'm going to be a little biased and all that, I really want to see Shamita. I want to see Shamita. I want to see Jay, and a tie between Umar and Prateek.
Okay, wow. Very, very amazing names, I must say, Maisha. Very good. And I think, you know what? I just wish that we got to see more of you guys, you know, because I feel like aap log matlab khulne hi lage the, especially you, Maisha. You did very well in that task, let me tell you, with that whole
Thank
captaincy wala task. You did very well. And I think that was probably your highlight. I think my highlight of you actually in the house. You were great in that task. And I just wish that you got an extra week because I think we would have seen a lot more. And it's just
Yes.
really unfortunate to see you both go. But hey, look, you know, when one door closes, another door opens, and at least this way we can do our interview. So thank you so much, Maishan. Is it Maishan, right? That's what they call it, right?
Maishan.
Hashtag Maishan. So thank you so much.
Hashtag Maishan.
So thank you so much, guys, for joining me on Filmy Shilmi. It was absolutely wonderful to chat with you, and hopefully wishing you all the very best. And I'm sure we'll catch up again super soon.
Definitely.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. See you guys.
Bye.
Bye.